Have you ever wanted to share a website page on your Facebook feed, but when you go to make that share, it just doesn't look good? There's no compelling image to draw other users' attention. In order for users to easily share your website on Facebook, there is some behind-the-scenes code that needs to be in place. This code is called OG tags. In the source code for this website, we can examine the OG tags and see how they are properly set to allow users to easily share the website on Facebook. By the way, you can view the source code for your website by pressing the Control plus letter U keys simultaneously. As we examine the source code for this website, you can see that we have set a number of OG tags in the code. We've got the title, the type, the URL, and if you work down past the site name and description, perhaps the most important OG tag to set is your image tag. By setting the OG tags on your website, you'll see that your share on Facebook looks much better. We have our selected image appearing right at the top of the description that we have specified in the page's source code. When working on your website's OG tags, you might want to use the Facebook Debugger in order to check the results. Simply Google Facebook Debugger and you'll be taken to the Meta for Developers website tool. By the way, a couple things that you might want to know. One is, what are OG tags, or what does OG stand for? OG stands for Open Graph. The other thing you might want to know is that you can select images on a per-page basis, as well as descriptions and other information within the OG tags. When you take the time to properly set the OG tags on your website, you're making it easier for your fans to share your content and drive more digital marketing engagement.